Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the host. Enable virtualization in UEFI so the VM can use hardware acceleration. Next, pick a hypervisor, WSL2 for lightweight use, Hyper-V for built-in, or VirtualBox/VMware for flexibility, and install it. Once done, download the Linux ISO for your distribution and decide resources. Allocate CPU cores, 2 8GB RAM, and 2040 GB disk depending on use. Make sure to note network mode, NAT versus bridged, now so networking works correctly. You now create the virtual machine. In the hypervisor, make a new VM, point it to the downloaded ISO, and pick UEFI or legacy BIOS based on distro recommendations. Allocate cores and RAM, and create a dynamically expanding disk for efficiency. Attach the ISO to the VM's virtual optical drive and enable virtualization extensions if offered. Boot the VM, follow the Linux installer prompts to partition, create your user account, and set locale and time zone. Once installation finishes, remove the ISO and reboot into your new system. Once running, update the OS and install guest editions or VMware tools to enable shared clipboard, display drivers, and folder sharing. Configure SSH and firewall rules, and set up shared folders or drag and drop for file transfers. Take a snapshot or backup the VM image so you can revert after risky changes. If something goes wrong, first check hypervisor logs and ensure virtualization is still enabled in UEFI. If boot hangs, disable secure boot or switch firmware mode, then restore the snapshot and retry installation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.